This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a distribution and getting the ISO. This is critical because package availability and support differ. Once downloaded, verify the checksum to ensure file integrity and confirm your host has CPU cores, 4+ GB RAM, and disk space. Next, install a hypervisor like VirtualBox, VMware, or enable Hyper-V. You need the hypervisor to create isolated hardware. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS/UEFI, so the VM can run at full performance. You now create the virtual machine and configure hardware settings that affect performance and compatibility. Allocate CPU cores and at least 4 GB RAM, pick a 20 GB or larger virtual disk, and attach the ISO as a virtual CD. Once attached, set the boot order so the VM boots from the ISO first. Choose UEFI versus BIOS depending on your distro. Also configure networking. Use NAT for easy internet access or bridged mode if you want the VM on your local network. You proceed through the distro installer. Partition or accept defaults, create a user account, and set time zone and locale so tools and logs behave correctly. After reboot, install guest editions or VMware tools to enable better display, shared folders, and seamless clipboard. This improves usability and drivers. Then update packages immediately to get security fixes. Finally, take a snapshot or export the clean VM image so you can revert quickly. If networking or boot fails, check virtualization enabled in BIOS and ISO integrity as a first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.